Hi, my name is Beth. Yes, so I've recently been diagnosed with ADHD in the past year, and I was looking for some help to find work at the same sort of time. So I did an online search and it came up with We Work for Everyone. It was really helpful in that my brain was a bit of a jumble at the time, so you helped me kind of work out my thoughts and navigate me to where I needed to go. I was often quite overwhelmed and you really helped me with that in a really calm and patient way, and I just found it extremely useful. So as part of my ADHD, I really struggle with my memory. So it was really helpful in the prompts that you gave me. I was able to start talking therapy and also going over my CV. It was quite overwhelming looking at my CV and redoing it. So you broke it down and helped me in a really thoughtful way, which was extremely helpful, and I never felt rushed. Before I started working with you, I was in a position I was feeling quite weak and vulnerable, and you enabled me to come out of that and increase my confidence and make me feel a lot stronger, and I realised by the end of it that I had a lot more strengths.
Beth may have felt as though she were weak and not able to retain her skills, or she felt vulnerable. I never felt that was the case with her. It's been good to see her grow her confidence and to see her re-establish her connections and put herself back to work.
Before I started working with you, I really wanted to take my children on holiday, so I have now got a job and I'm in a much better position. I'm not very good with money, it's part of my ADHD I think, and I'm feeling a lot stronger now, and hopefully we'll be able to save enough money to take them away next year, which is my ambition. I would say the programme is just a fantastic thing for people to do. I would recommend it to anybody. The work coach I had was absolutely brilliant, and it's been the most helpful thing I've had to date for sure, and I would recommend it to anybody.